Hi friends, good morning. So welcome to our next tutorial. So in this tutorial now I want to cover this JSON versus JSON. So JSON and JSON. What is the difference between JSON versus JSON? So we'll see this. Because nowadays most of them in Android we are using retrofit. If it is a retrofit, we are using JSON only. But why? There are a few differences are there, these two. What are those? We can discuss in detail here. This. So this side will go with the JSON. So this side will go with the JSON. So JSON. So now, first difference here. First here, if we are in a JSON, so JSON is simple JavaScript. It's a JSON is simple. So JSON is simple. Using Java toolkit to Java toolkit. It use simple. So it's a very simple. It's a we converting this means by simple is converting that simple to convert this encoding and decoding, encoding and decoding using Java toolkit. Using Java toolkit. Using Java toolkit. It's handling this type of data to handle this using Java toolkit. It's handling the data here. Simple and simple way it can handle the data here like this. So using this. Same case if I come here, it is this is library converts Java object into JSON as well as vice versa. Directly it can convert Java objects into, for that here there is a toolkit is required, but here directly from the Java objects it can convert into JSON. Java objects to JSON directly it can convert. No need of support to encrypt and decrypt this. It can be easily handle this automatically. This. That is the first difference. This. And for this, no need of any annotations making simpler implementation and all. It's easy. When I am in a JSON, when I have inner classes, handling of inner classes is handling inner classes is little bit tough. Little bit tough. Handling this inner class is little bit tough. Here it's easy. Easily we can handle this inner classes. Inner classes. How that already we are have examples of programs. There you can get to know that how it's easy that. Then it's a next point here is this. It's a process JSON parsing generator library. It handle this encoding, this coding. This has already we discussed that it is this. And the next, when we are adding the data, like a simple example, I want to convert 190 MB data. For example, I want to convert 190 MB data. 190 MB data I want to parse in this. So the parsing speed for this is it's a start with the KB by KB. Normally it's a data start with the bit byte by byte that we can normally KB by KB. But how much time it will take this consume this data? If 190 data, if it is in a JSON means here approximately it will take 20,000 milliseconds, means approximately 20,000 milliseconds means 20 seconds of data it can take. So 20 seconds of data. But same here if it is come approximately it will take 12,000, means 12 seconds of data, means that much of faster, means it's a here data processing is slow. Data processing is slow because of handling of inner loop is a little bit different. Because of that, it's a slow, but here it's a fast. It's a fast. That is. So these all are the major differences between this. Because of this, nowadays we are mostly using this only. So that is, means compared to that one, here it has heavy weight, that should be here. Because of that, we are using this processing here. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.